Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Da ke baperkhat na ke benta ke yok kokot bat ke jing mento jing ki beriau ki bapenya ki kali kamai. Kynthup nadu ki bapenya ki kali kamai ya ki All India Tourist Taxi, All India Maxi Cab, Local Taxi bat ki auto rickshaw. Ke jelang jo ke kanhon menteri ha ka jelang ke balalong ha ka artrek mato benai no pra arja ka kendai. Kala rairu ban Pynkiew no ya ke bai kali bat ke kanhon menteri kala airu ya ke jing menjur halor kene. U menteri Sorkar kene ke jela u James PK Sangma ulayatho ba ka jik Pynkiew dor khaddo e da ka Sorkar ka bai kali ke dai nadu usnam 8000 khatwe. Bat ka rai ke balsem da kene Sorkar bamenta ka dairu kat kum ka jik pun kubor lengba ka Motor Vehicle Act 1988.
As you all know, the existing fare structure has been in operation since the year 2011 as per notification which came out on the 25th of July 2011. As we all know, there has been price rise in the prices of spare parts, cost of vehicles, tax components, insurance, etc. Therefore, the revision of fares for taxis, auto rickshaws, etc. on carriage and freight charges on carriage of goods has been done in exercise of the powers conferred under the Motor Vehicles Act of 1988. So this proposal to revise the fare for different classes of vehicles has been based on the cost of vehicles falling under the same class by taking into comparison with the prevailing fare charged by the operator from the commuters. And similarly, the existing freight charges for carriage of goods by the goods carriage vehicles, this was last revised in 2001. In the course of time, the upward increase again of fuel, spare parts, permit fees, tax components, insurance, cost of vehicles, etc. Keeping this in mind, the freight charges have been revised based on the road conditions due to the higher or for that matter lower consumption of fuel, wears and tears, etc. of the vehicles depending on the road conditions. So this was discussed, and this proposal also has been passed by the cabinet. 5-seater vehicles costing up to rupees 6 lakhs. The kind of vehicles which will fall under this category would be Altos, Alto 800, Alto K10, Santro, Quid, Wagoner, Swift Desire, Maruti Swift, Hyundai i20, Indigo, Honda Bravio, Celerio, Tiago, Ignis, etc. etc. Which would include both petrol and diesel. The existing fare is rupees 15.50, that is 15 rupees 50 paisa, wide notification dated 25th 7 2011. The fares which now stands is now 18 rupees per kilometer, per 100 kilometers. Extra charge would be 200 rupees per 100 kilometers for AC vehicles if utilized. And now the revised tariff is 26 rupees for the first kilometer and 13 rupees for every subsequent kilometer. Holding and detaining charge rupees 7, that is for per every 5 minutes. So if you are holding or detaining a taxi, you will be charged 7 rupees every 7 minutes, every 5 minutes.